most guitarists out there, they know how to play pentatonic scales and they know how to play chords, but yet they can't put it in a musical way. They can't apply it in music, in real music. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to play your pentatonic scales into African guitar, how to apply your scales, major pentatonic scales in your music. So grab your guitar and let's start it. Now we are playing it on the key of C. This is your key of C. This is your root note here. Do. This is the root note. Then this is your A minor here. Then we will start from our A minor here to down, from up here to down. So I played it like this. Let's play it like this. Right? This is the first pentatonic scale. This is the most widely used pentatonic scales that every guitarist can be able to play. Right? But yet we cannot apply it in music. Right? This is the first shape. The first pentatonic shape here. Right? Then the second one you just move here forward slightly here to fret 3 here. You just move slightly to fret 3 here. The second one is like this. Right? The second one is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Right? These are the two pentatonic scales. These are the most widely used pentatonic scales, especially the second one. This second one, we use it in African praises. We use it to solo. We use it in solo, in time of soloing. Now, let me show you guys the five pentatonic shape we have in the key of C. Right? The 5 pentatonic shape we have in the key of C that everybody can play it, or even you cannot play it, I will show you. I will show you too. Now, the first one, start from the A minor here. Then the second one is like this. The second one. Then the third one is like this. Like this. Then the next one is like this. Then the next one is like this. This is the next one here, right? These are the 5 pentatonic shape on the key of C. As I'm saying, the first one is like this. Then the second one. Then the next one is like this. These are the shapes. So let us apply this pentatonic shape scales in real music. Let's play a simple groove with this pentatonic shape. Let's try the first pentatonic shape and the second pentatonic shape here. This is the first one. How to apply this here? I played it like this. Let me break it down step by step. Now, start from your G, then C, then your E, then you play your G. This is the first phrase. Then the second phrase like this. Like this. Then you come to this shape, this G shape. Then the next step, you come to this scale. Then you come here. like this. Let's go back again. Let's play together. Like this. So this is what you play in this shape, right? You are playing, right? Like this. This is the first shape here. Then I went and rolled the scale here. So this is the second shape. I played here. This is the second shape here. This is the second shape. This is the other shape here. Now, so I played it here on this key of C. So now the second leg, you need to apply the pentatonic scale to it. Is like this. The second leg is like this. We play it in this shape, like this. Then you play. So it's like this. Dun, dun. So this is how you play. The first shape like this. You need to master the fretboards. You need to understand the fretboards. This is the first shape. This is the second shape. This is the third shape here. So you need to know how to apply it in the fretboards, all over the fretboards here. Now, the first one, the second one, then, right? So this is how you will apply this in real music, right? The first leg here, the first leg, I apply like this. Right? It's like this. So after I did that, then I play this pentatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really learned from this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next lesson.